guys. Punta kami sa seaside. JM! It's magpa 5 PM na dito. Wait lang!
Push the button. Push. That's enough.
Oh, we're not even...
I know.
Nasa Ferris wheel kami guys. Ang taas!
See, they're still building islands. See the ship throwing the sand on it.
Yeah.
Hey, they need more port.
I think so. We're on the top yet.
Nope. Wow, we're way up here.
It's really big.
Told you. Oh, smokes. Almost to the top.
Yeah. Nasaan yung sunset? Ba't di ko makita? Bakit nakikita ko lang si Angeline? Diyan kami sumakay guys ah. Sobrang laki. Ay.
Lukod sa boy. Parang ang bigat-bigat ng dala niya. Pakita mo kay mama. Parang ang bigat-bigat ng dinadala.
Parang inaantay niya magulang niya. Aba.
Yan, smile. Smile.
Inaabot ng ulan. Mura lang naman pagkain dito. Starbucks na naman. Hershey! Big boy, sumakay dyan. Kain na mo lang tayo, mag-dinner na ba tayo?
Ibalik mo.
Look, Panther cars! Mommy.
You wanna ride there?
Yeah.
It's raining.
I know.
Are we going back to the mall?
No.
Where are we going to get out of the rain when it comes?
What is the bumper calls?
I hope you better pick a spot quick.
We can stay here.
Ano, stay here na.